We'd solve this by using integration by parts. So let's consider the late rule: logs, algebra, trig, exponentials. So with what we have here, algebra is x squared, and then e to the power of minus x would be exponentials. In the word late, a comes before e, and therefore we would set our u to be a, which in this case is x squared. So u would be equal to x squared, and then our v dash would be equal to e to the minus x. Differentiate u, we get 2x. Integrate e to the minus x, we get minus e to the minus x. The reason you get minus e to the minus x is because when you differentiate e to the minus x, this minus sign, or a copy of that minus sign, comes out. It will then cancel out with this minus sign to make plus, which is what we have effectively here. We have positive e to the minus x. We can now use the integration by parts formula, so I'm just calling this a, and then so a is equal to, so u times v, so that would be minus x squared e to the minus x, that's u times v, minus the integral of v u dash, so that would be minus 2x e to the minus x. I'll just tidy this up a little bit, keep the first thing as is, and then these two minuses make plus, so plus the integral of 2x e to the minus x dx. And now we have to use integration by parts one more time. So let's say that b is equal to this thing here, the 2x, the integral of 2x times e to the minus x. So yes, we're using integration by parts one more time, where our 2x would be u, and then our e to the minus x would be v dash. Again, that's just using the late rule. Algebra comes before exponentials, hence why the 2x would be our u. So then, let's put this on the right hand side. U is equal to 2x, and then v dash is e to the minus x. U dash would be 2, v would be minus e to the minus x. Right, so then b would be equal to integration by parts formula, u times v, that would be minus 2x e to the minus x, minus the integral of v u dash, which would be minus 2 e to the minus x, that's v u dash. Tidy this up, this becomes minus 2x e to the minus x plus the integral of 2e to the minus x. And we can carry out that integral, so the right hand side integral becomes minus 2e to the minus x. So that's just integrating the e to the minus x, that becomes minus e to the minus x. The 2 just stays there as well. Alright, now we can combine everything together. So we're trying to work out what a is. A is equal to this. This bit here was b, so maybe I'll write that down. This bit is b. So the beginning of a, which again is our answer, that would be, this is the beginning of a, minus x squared e to the minus x. And then we're adding b. B is this. So plus all of this, that's just minus 2x e to the minus x minus 2e to the minus x plus c. We can simplify this as well. We can take out a factor of minus e to the minus x, and then what's left behind is x squared plus 2x plus 2, and then plus c.